In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change divider colors in Notion. Notion's default divider is simple, but it doesn't give you much control over color or thickness. In this tutorial, I'll show you a neat workaround that lets you create custom colored lines using an inline equation. It sounds a bit technical, but don't worry, I'll walk you through it slowly and clearly. First, open the Notion page where you want your custom divider. Click into the page body so your cursor is active. To add an inline equation block, type a / and then the letters EQ. From the menu that appears, choose Inline Equation. You should now see a small equation box appear right inside your text line. Next, we're going to insert a small piece of code into that equation box. This is what tells Notion to draw a line in a specific color and size. Paste or type the following structure inside the equation field. $, \color, curly braces, the word color name, close curly brace, \rule, curly braces for width, curly braces for height, $. Visually, it looks like $, \color, curly braces, color name, close curly, \rule, curly brace, width, close curly brace, height, close curly, $. Once that's in, we'll customize it. Replace the word color name with the color you want. You can use simple names like blue or red, or you can use a hex code if you want an exact shade. For example, you might use something like \# followed by your hex code. That gives you very fine control over the divider color. Now adjust the width and height values to change how the line looks. These are written in pixels, like 500px for the width and 3px for the height. A longer width will create a longer line, and a larger height will make it thicker. For instance, 500 pixels by 3 pixels gives you a medium-long, slightly bold divider, while 800 pixels by 1 pixel would be a very thin, long line. Keep in mind that this method creates a line with a fixed width. That means it won't automatically stretch or shrink if you view the page on a different screen size. If you want something that always fits the full width of the page, the standard Notion divider might still be better, but if you care about precise color and thickness, this trick is perfect. Once you're happy with the color and size, click out of the equation field, and your custom divider is ready to use. You can duplicate it or copy and paste it anywhere else in your workspace.